So we're putting a bridge in, folks. We purposely let the wetland go down. And ToPKnoT was just noticing these interesting aquatic plants that just spontaneously came up here in the wetland. Really thick tubes. And there's your normal cattail, and then we have these giant ancient grasses. I'm going to have to keep my eye on this. This is a very interesting development. So, back to the bridge. What we're doing here is really simple earthworks using some cinder blocks leveled off on original subsurface grade. So we're just digging down to where we want them and putting them there. And then we're going to lean up these big boys that we did a video with when we were painting these. We were actually treated these, and they're 22 footers. Do you remember when we bought these, how big they were?
20 or 22.
Yeah, they're pretty big pieces, and they're the perfect span for this. So we just had it in, and that's Wes over there, who came in from, where the hell are you from?
Wyoming.
Yeah, he paints shit over there. And so Wes is, we're using him to the most of our ability here. And Graham found something over there. Just put in these steps yesterday. And so this is going to be able to take us over to the yoga pond. So we're going to quickly be assembling this, and as soon as we get this set, we'll be right back to put a bridge together. Boom! How you like them apples? So that's basically what we're looking for. Now there is still a little bit of racking going on, and we just discussed the way to solve that problem is simple. Is to, I'm going to put a piece here and box this in and put screws in this way, and that will keep it from, but bridge looks great. We didn't have enough 2x6, but we did have enough to get halfway. So we're halfway to the island. And we're far enough that I can get some water back into the wetland here. So that's what we're going to do now. Simple bridge construction. Basically took us less than a few hours to assemble it, including setting these pads twice. What do you think, Wes?
Looks pretty good.
ToPKnoT?